Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by selecting where you want changes applied. This controls scope and avoids accidental edits. Once selected, open Find and Replace with Ctrl+H so you jump straight into action. Enter the exact text you want to change and type the replacement. Do this instead of manually editing cells because Find and Replace applies consistently and faster. Make sure not to leave stray spaces. They silently prevent matches. Now move on to set the matching options so the replacement behaves exactly as you expect. Next, refine how Google Sheets matches text so you don't overplace. Start by confirming search applies to the current sheet or the selected range. This limits scope. Then toggle match case and match entire cell when you need exact or whole cell matches. Also enable search within formulas when replacing parts of formula text. If you need patterns, turn on regular expressions. That lets you target variable text like digits or dates. Once done, preview or replace one to verify the rule works as intended before bulk changes. Now execute. Choose Replace to confirm each change or Replace all to apply instantly across the selected scope. After running, scan a few affected cells to confirm correctness because Replace all can alter many entries at once. If the outcome is wrong, undo immediately with Ctrl+Z and adjust options. A common troubleshooting tip: if nothing changed, make sure you selected the correct range, removed accidental leading or trailing spaces, set or cleared match case, or corrected your regular expression syntax.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.